Alrighty peeps. Okay, update. I went to Fox Glacier yesterday. Or Franz Josef, sorry. I think it's Franz Josef, not Fox Glacier. I went to Franz Josef. Went to go do the heli transfer and hike. Didn't end up doing that because of the weather. They cancelled it, so that was a big bummer. I was actually really keen to do that. But thank God I had another activity there, quad biking. So I did quad biking. That was fun. I had so much goddamn fun. I always love quad biking. So they took photos and I took my GoPro and got GoPro footage, and it looks pretty good. I didn't get back till like 11:30 last night, and I was so tired. It was like a good 12-hour drive yesterday, but like 6 and 6. So that was annoying. I won't do that again. I'll stay in Franz Josef next time instead of staying fucking 6 hours away. And then today I'm meant to be doing Mount Cook. I'm meant to be hiking it. I'm just observing the weather and you know, checking the radar and shit like that before I make the decision to do it, because it's not the greatest weather for it, and currently the weather forecast for Mount Cook isn't so great. So we'll see how we go. If I don't do it today, it might be tomorrow before I go to Queenstown. So yeah, and then I'll update you guys further on from there. Alrighty, so I started off the day with apple on toast and some kiwi fruit with a coffee. Look at that view, look at how blue that water is. And then today I decided to empty the tank, the septic tank I like to call it. I've done it a few times, but this one there was a little bit of spillage, as you can see from my face. I was not happy to do this one. It was pretty bad. Yep, rolling up the sleeves. It was kind of hard to get this thing out too. Made it really hard, but I figured out a way to prevent it spilling and being able to roll it up the hill to the dump station. I will not be showing that for obvious reasons. I will cut off as I go to tip it in, but yeah, I did this. I filled up the fresh water, both in the actual van and the toilet. Emptied the grey water, swooped out the van, did all that stuff. So then I visited the church at Lake Tekapu. It's like a viewpoint, very touristy. I had a lot of people walking into me and yeah, getting in the way of my shots, but other than that, it was really worth just staying there for about an hour. The wind was intense this day in particular, and the lupins weren't completely in season, but there were a few good little patches, as you can see here. And yeah, I just thought I'd take a little shot of me, the water, some lupins for photography reasons. But it was extremely windy, and I saw some duckies, that's what I was pointing at. You'll see it in the next clip. Little duckies, so cute. But yeah, this place is just absolutely stunning. All the views, all the colours, perfect for different photo opportunities. I definitely recommend coming down here, get some lunch, come down here for the day. Preferably a sunny day, because that's where you're going to get the bluest of waters. It was gorgeous. Despite the wind, it was fucking worth it in my opinion. But then I went back to camp. Little bunnies. I think that's a baby. Yeah, it is. Oh, for fuck's sake. I can't eat in peace, can I? But for dinner, I had a sausage sizzle, brought a little bit of home to New Zealand. I needed to finish these last 3 sausages anyway, so I just thought, why not? And use the bread, so that was my dinner, and that was it for day 18, peeps.